Hey guys, it's me, DYLI and Dylan, and today we have a thing.
Where are we?
At my papa's park. Yes. And this is where we found some ancient stuff. Right? We found that chlorine bottle.
Yeah,
From
Listerine
a
bottle.
long time ago.
Listerine bottle from the 1920s.
When there was pirates. Yes! And we got a SyncUP.
No, SyncUP. Hold it up so they can read it.
SyncUP Kids watch.
But
And
this is not your own ordinary watch.
no, it's different. We got my favorite color on here, and take it out and look at that.
It's not amazing. It
Yes.
looks like a watch.
But it's different. It's got all this stuff. It's got a charger cable, the cable to it, and we got the charger dock, guys.
And show them how it snaps on there.
How?
See the little holes? Look on the back of the watch. And see the little dots?
Yeah, those three
And that
little
goes
dots.
on there under
Those
those
three
dots.
little dots with those little three golden dots right there. And this one, connect those together and
Show
you got it.
them how it snaps on there.
Okay, we got these three four
Now hold that
little
up.
dots right there, and then four little dots right here. Then you have,
Turn it sideways.
and then you do
The other
this,
way. Keep going, keep going. The other way. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
and then it's actually metal. It's actually a magnet.
Magnet.
And look at that.
And it snaps on there with a magnet.
Whee!
What else you got?
We got something very important. The charge thing to put in the wall. And it says T-Mobile.
Yep. And tell them don't electrocute yourself.
Well, don't electrocute yourself. And here is another actually
Strap.
strap. And we got an orange one. And
SIM
this
card.
is the important part. This one you always need. This is the SIM card. But don't try to take this apart and shove it in there because it already has one in there. But
Oh.
this is like for your phone.
Yeah, but they always send that, and they confuse people. By sending that SIM card, people think they show them the hole that they might try to put it in on the watch.
Right
side.
here. But that's the plug-in area.
No, that's a speaker. So whatever you do, don't try to shove the SIM card inside that hole, and don't try to take the watch
Right.
apart because you don't need to.
See, this is for your phone.
That would be for a phone.
And it says T-Mobile.
Yep.
Don't trust them.
Don't use it. Don't use the SIM card.
T-Mobile's not
The
good.
watch, you cannot take the watch apart.
And it shows a little kid. Okay, we're now going to see what this baby does. Okay, let's put all this stuff back in order. Hope somebody doesn't steal this. Out. It's a little hard.
It's like a puzzle.
It's like a puzzle. I think that's maybe the puzzle.
Okay, so maybe we should try to put it on you first so it doesn't get broken.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay,
This thing is actually super cool.
what's that?
I think that's a camera.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, we even got a camera on here. And on Christmas Day, maybe you have to go watch that video because that one's a cool one. That's the day I got this. Just yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday. These are not gonna get posted out like right now. These are gonna have to get edited.
We will post it for you though, so
Well, we
you
got a
guys
ton
know
of YouTube videos
that
to post.
that you do not take this watch apart to put the SIM card in because it already has an eSIM in it.
And that's why we need to edit this. Okay. Let's turn this on. Whoa! Yo, I'm gonna put... Okay. Sound off, sound on. It's got airplane mode. What is this? What are these? Oh.
You can pick your emoji
I
or
want...
your character.
I want this! Okay, this is cool. Camera. Mobile library. What the heck? What the heck is this?
A funky dog. Okay, look up. Oh, that's contact list.
This has all of. How does this already have all of my contact? How?
Oh, I don't know. Okay, now let's try something out. This is for the parents. You can keep track of your kid no matter where he is.
And I heard that on the phone.
And what else? You can play games.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, here's the camera.
You just took a picture of yourself.
It actually works. Oh, I even got this.
Is that recording?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Now I got myself in here. I don't know why I'm going to send this to my papa.
Did you just send me something?
My papa's right here. This is the one I just sent to.
I think if you did the first one, it's not the right one. So do the bottom one.
What?
On this contact list.
They both say your name.
I know. So do the bottom one to send it.
I just did.
And now, did we get anything?
Oh, it even tracks.
Oh, look! What did I get?
What? It even tracks
Let me
my
see.
steps.
What did he send me?
Look.
I gotta download it.
Look, guys.
Oh, he sent me a dark face.
That's me.
That's crazy.
Guys, this is how much steps I took today.
It keeps track of your steps? Your activity? Okay, now, let's do something really cool. How about...
Even got the dinosaur game.
Let's show them a secret, incredible thing.
I'm going to look at my library.
How about you try something really crazy?
What?
Look me up on the list of your contacts and click my name and then click the call button.
You can actually call. Oh my gosh, guys. Hello.
Hey, that's amazing. He can actually call from that watch.
Can you hear that, guys?
It's perfectly clear. It's unbelievable.
Whee!
It's just like you're right next to me.
Oh yeah, baby.
You could be anywhere and use that. And it could be like if you had an emergency, get a hold of people.
I told the grandma, I said, shh, I'm gonna hang up. Papa, that's what I said. Did you hear me? Oh, you just took away call?
You just said you can't talk right now. You just told me you couldn't talk right now.
It was because I was, you know what I did, Papa?
What?
I like said shh to the camera, and I said, I'm gonna hang up. And then I'm like, yes, let's go.